glass of orange juice this morning. So I have good news and I have bad news, but I'll start with the bad news. So both of the kids are sick, and I guess the good news really isn't good news. It is kind of bad news as well, but then I don't know. So I guess I just have bad news and bad news. Both the kids are sick. Hopefully they get over their sickness. That was kind of like the silver lining. Hopefully they get over their sickness before the birthday party, because if they don't feel better, at least by like Monday, Tuesday, maybe Wednesday. Wednesday is Gabe's actual birthday, and then Saturday is the birthday party. So I'll be canceling the party if they don't feel good, because I don't want people to like be prepared to come. And I had a lot of people RSVP, and I was like, this is supposed to be like a party, but the kids are sick. So both of them. So Gabe got sick last night. He woke up coughing and crying. Let me go get the dog. It's raining outside. So it's sprinkling, but she's pretty wet. She was outside for like 10 minutes and she's soaked, so I had to wipe her off with a towel. But it was like saying, oh, so last night Cody, he slept in Zane's room with him. He slept on the floor. Excuse me. So he slept on the floor, and he said he was up like every hour with him. He said that he was so weak he couldn't use the restroom, so he used the restroom in the bed on accident. So he had to change his bed sheets last night in the middle of the night. I think he gave him medicine last night. He was just crying for juice. I think Cody came downstairs and made some more tea for him last night. So Cody was awesome. I didn't even know he did all that. Like, me and Gaby were in the room, and Gaby was sick, so he woke up in the middle of the night crying. I think I told you guys that. So like at 5 o'clock in the morning, we switched out. It's 7:40 now, because I have to get ready for work. But yeah, my babies are sick, so hopefully they feel better soon. I was really hoping that Gaby wasn't gonna get sick, because Zane spent the majority of the day in his room, and then he came down and he was just sleeping on the couch, and I guess he got sick before Zane like started showing his symptoms and stuff. But yeah, this is us right now. We're just dealing with 2 sick children. Yesterday I didn't even end up vlogging, so yesterday was Wednesday, so that was when I had ended the last vlog. And then today is next day, so Thursday. So yesterday I didn't vlog at all. Yesterday I just did the little the outro yesterday. I just closed the vlog yesterday, and then the kid Zane was so sick. So if they're too sick today, I probably won't vlog. So if you see this clip, that means they're feeling better, but I just want to give them all the attention that they need. So yeah, so if you're seeing this, it's either we had time to vlog, or the kids feel better and they want to vlog. So yeah, so I'm just about to drink my orange juice, and I might get some tea. I don't even drink, coffee. I hate coffee, but I think I'm gonna get some coffee because I'm tired. So yeah, I'm about to start working, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Show mommy. What is it? Yeah, say rainbow. Our door makes like a rainbow, I guess. So he caught the rainbow on the stairs. Wow, touch it. Let me see. Wow. So Gaby feels good, and maybe it was just a false alarm last night, but he's not acting sick. He actually ate breakfast. And Zane is he's on the couch. He's sleeping. He is feeling a lot better, but he's not 100% yet. Wow. I see Gaby right there. Do you see Gaby right there? Yeah, he keeps trying to go get his shadow. Ooh, hi. I see you. I see you. I see you, buddy. He's getting so big, y'all. I mean, he's on his tippy toes, but when we moved here, his head was like here. Like, he's growing up so fast. Don't do that. I don't want you to get stuck. But he's growing up. What are they doing? Let me see. He's trying to pick the ball up with his foot. Daddy's teaching him how to pick stuff up with his feet. Oh. We need to sweep. We actually need to mop, but Gaby was trying to pick the ball up with his toes.
Gaby, look.
Let's see. He's not trying to do it no more. The little boy. He's so silly. Our front doormat just blew away. Like, this crazy. He is silly, y'all. Silly. What are you doing?
My hair.
That is so hilarious, babe. But yeah, like, I was like, what the heck? And then I thought it was our ADT sign. But I looked over, it was the doormat. So he could have just put it in the garage. What's up with your hair, baby? It got blown away.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. You're right. I feel like boys can get away with, like, windy hair. Boys can get away with a lot more stuff. But we're on the way to the mall. What was that? Drive up. What is going on out here? Oh, it was our siding. What in the world is going on today? Look at that. It was our not our siding, but our gutter thing. Let me get out. Like, y'all, that was like crazy. Like, that was like a movie. Like, first the doormat, then this shutter thing. That's crazy. Like, there's trash in the street. Like, where did this trash even come from? I hope somebody's trash can didn't get knocked down.
Yeah, the neighbor's trash can got knocked down.
Oh, wow. Look, people styrofoam in the street, getting new stuff. That is crazy. But, yeah. We're going to drive safe. Yeah, at Easton. It's so
Made it to the mall.
Yeah, it's so pretty. I wish we could
Just
have like
paid
a
the parking
date.
meter.
We just paid our mortgage on the parking meter. But I put a quarter in it, said 8 minutes. I said, that's all I get? 8 minutes? But, yeah, it's just so pretty. Here, I want you to show them. Like, I love the lights. I still have the lights and stuff.
Better watch your step.